We have been doing graphics cards for years and years. It's very successful and continuing to be success for us, but the last 5 or 6 years we brought new separate product lines that are IP based. One of them is Maevex, and the other one is an extension of our video wall line, Mira, which was baseband based, and also now we've brought in IP there. And now finally we're also releasing Extio 3, a KVM based IP solution as well. Maevex 6150, and now we've just introduced the 6120. The 6150 is a 4-channel, 4K encode and simultaneously record solution. And the 6120 is a dual-based version of the exact same thing. So dual 4K streaming and recording simultaneously, plus PowerStream Plus, a software that comes with it for no extra charge, and it controls all the devices on the network from one central location or many central locations. So it's a combination that is complete and fully supplied by Matrox, both from a software and hardware level for 4K IP. So Extio 3 is our latest introduction on the IP side of things. It's a IP KVM based product. It's 4K enabled, does 1080p, multiple 1080p as well, has transmitters, receivers that you can mix and match as you will. It has full software included with it called the Extio Central Manager, so you can control everything, set everything up, and it gives you excellent quality at very low latency, 50 milliseconds. So that's 1/20th of a second. So excellent quality and low latency.